Find the perimeter P of this shape when A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. Well, first of all, we're going to just find an expression for the perimeter of the shape. So starting here, we're going to have that P is equal to 4A plus 3B plus 2A plus 3B. So grouping like terms together. So we're going to have that P is equal to 4A plus 2A plus 3B plus 3B. If we group those two together, we're going to have 6A. If we group these two together, we're going to have 6B. We know that A is 5 and B is 2. So this becomes 6 times 5 plus 6 times 2. And we do multiplication before we add. So 6 times 5 is 30, plus 6 times 2 is 12. And then we add those together, we get 30 plus 12, which makes 48. So this has been a video to show you how to find the expression of a shape and then use it to find the perimeter when you've got certain values of A and B. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.